Welcome to the Dodo Webview app guide. Today, we explore how this tool can transform your websites into functional apps. Dodo Webview boasts a user-friendly interface, extensive customization options, and impressive performance. Let's dive deeper. Now, let's walk through the steps to create your first app with Dodo Webview. Follow along. Dodo Webview offers significant benefits over traditional app development methods, including time efficiency and cost savings. However, while Dodo Webview provides many advantages, there are potential limitations worth considering. Let's check out some successful applications that have been created using Dodo Webview. Inspiration awaits. User feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Here's what people are saying about their Dodo Webview experience. In this segment, we will compare Dodo Webview with other web-to-app conversion tools to see where it stands. In conclusion, is Dodo Webview the best choice for turning your website into an app? Let's summarize. Why not give Dodo Webview a try? We encourage you to explore its benefits and share your experiences with us.